Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel, and for today's discussion, we are going to solve complex rational algebraic expressions. So let's have our solution. I-copy muna natin. Okay, so ang next step natin is we need to write it in this format. 2 over a minus 3 over b divided by 5 over b plus 6 over a squared. Magkaroon muna tayo ng short review on how to add and subtract the similar rational algebraic expressions. So, ganito lang yung step. For example, meron tayong 3 over x minus 5 over y. Ang final answer niyan, or pag isolve natin yan, that would be 3y minus 5x over xy. Paano nangyari yon? Ganito lang ang ginawa. Yung LCD natin, we need to find first the LCD of x and y, and that is xy. Ang gagawin natin, yung LCD, i-divide natin sa first denominator and then we multiply it to the numerator. XY divided by x, the answer is y, multiply to 3, kaya meron tayong 3y. Ganon din sa pangalawa. Ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung LCD sa second denominator. X over y divided by y, the answer is x. I-multiply natin sa numerator. So, kaya ang sagot natin ay 5x. Ang una natin gagawin is ito muna yung isosolve natin. Mapapansin natin na magkaiba sila ng denominator. Kapag magkaiba ng denominator, we need to find the LCD. Ang LCD ng A and B is AB. Okay? And then, yung LCD, i-divide natin sa first denominator at i-multiply natin sa kanyang numerator. Okay, let's do it. AB divided by A, the answer is B, multiplied to the numerator, kaya meron tayong 2B. Minus, yung second denominator naman ang i-divide sa LCD. AB divided by B, the answer is A, multiplied to the numerator, we have 3A. Copy lang natin yung symbol, yung division symbol. Next, ito naman ang isosolve natin. Magkaiba din sila ng denominator, kaya we need to find the LCD. Ang LCD niyan ay a squared b. A squared b divided by b, the first denominator, the answer is a squared, multiplied to the numerator, kaya meron tayong 5a squared. Plus, a squared b divided by the second denominator, which is a squared, the answer is letter b, multiplied to the numerator, kaya meron tayong 6b. Okay, next step, ganito. Di-divide na natin. Ang unang gagawin is copy lang muna natin to. So, by copying, it becomes 2b minus 3a over ab. Ang gagawin naman natin sa operation ay we need to change it. Iti-change natin to multiplication. Okay? Next step is we need to flip this over. So, by flipping it, it becomes a squared b over 5a squared plus 6b. Anong ginawa natin? Pinagpalit lang natin ang numerator at denominator ng pwesto. So, yung denominator becomes our numerator. Ang numerator natin becomes our denominator. And then, that's multiplication. Let's proceed to multiplication. How do we multiply? Numerator times numerator, and then we have denominator multiplied to the denominator. Kaya meron tayong the quantity of 2b minus 3a multiplied to a squared b over, we have ab multiplied to 5a squared plus 6b. Kapag nakaganito na, tignan natin kung pwede pa siyang i-factor para may makancel tayo na common between numerator and the denominator. Okay? So, this becomes 2b minus 3a. Yung a squared b, pwede siyang i-factor out as a times ab over ab multiplied to 5a squared plus 6b. Meron bang common? Meron. Yung a, b. Okay? Cancel natin ang common. Ang natira ay, this could be our final answer, or pwede nating i-distribute sa letter A, sa numerator. This becomes 2ab minus 3a squared over 5a squared plus 6b. Everyone, if you have any question, just comment below. I'm happy to answer any questions. Please subscribe for more math videos. Once again, this is Teacher Mel.